Is it possible to earn over $1,000 a day using Google, even without owning a website of your own? Absolutely, but it requires following a 7-step formula. This formula can be applied globally without any financial investment, as all the tools we'll use are free. And as mentioned earlier, owning a website isn't a prerequisite. Welcome to the Capio Digital Marketing Channel. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Head to docs.google.com and create a new document. In step 2 of this formula, you'll need a means to collect your earnings, be it your bank account or a service like wise.com, which I personally use for both receiving and spending money internationally. Alternatively, you can opt for paypal.com, where you can sign up for a completely free account to collect your earnings. Simply click the sign up button and create your account at no cost. Step number 3 is to find an offer which you will be promoting through Google. But again, don't worry, you will not actually have to build your own website. And I'm not just going to tell you to go and find businesses on Google and then DM them or email them, whatever. Now, some of the PartnerStack platforms where you can find offers to promote are partnerstack.com. This is a great one if you want to promote software companies, which is a great type of product to promote because software companies are digital products. So there is no limit to how much you can sell. And also, when you promote a software company, you usually earn recurring commissions every single month. Like, for example, this software company that I've been promoting in the past few days already made me $280 just from these 2 companies that I promoted. Now, in PartnerStack, you can actually find thousands of those companies. The second option is to also find offers to promote from the Online Business Academy platform, because on here, you can find very high-quality products and services from entrepreneurs from all around the world. And most of these offers cost thousands of dollars, and you can earn commissions for a lifetime for every single offer that you promote from this particular website. All you're going to do is just go to onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate, or just go to onlinebusinessacademy.com in general, and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the affiliate program right over here. Before we jump into the next step, I've got something special just for you. Introducing the secret affiliate system, the game changer. This guy is making over $300,000 per month in commissions on autopilot. And guess what? You can start using it today to kickstart your own affiliate business in just 7 days or less, guaranteed. With over 20,000 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, this system is the real deal. Don't miss out. Join the success today and start your journey to financial freedom. Ready to take action? Check the link in the description below to join now and unlock your path to financial freedom. Now back to the video. Another way to promote offers is to go over to this app called the TapMob. And if you install this app and if you use the code, which is 90,495, you can actually install this app from anywhere in the world and you can get paid to promote these different offers. Like, for example, I made $4,500 so far with this app. And if we go to the offer section, we can see all of these different kinds of giveaways where you have a chance to win something for free. Like this Cash App $750 giveaway. And I'm going to be paid $5 per email collected. So, people have a chance to win something for free, and I'm going to be paid $5 when they enter their email address. And it's a lot easier to make someone just enter their email address for a chance to win something than it is to make them buy something. So, that's why I promote these offers. You can also find a lot of work from home offers. Those are the ones that actually made me the most money with this app. You can see, for example, YouTube jobs offer maybe $1.8 thousand, music jobs $850, Netflix job $700. Those are the offers which you can find by searching for work from home jobs, or just search for jobs in general, and then it's going to show you all of those different offers that you can promote. Now, I personally like to focus either on jobs or these giveaways because it's a lot easier to incentivize someone to sign up and enter their email address. So, what you want to do is you just want to find at least 5 of these different offers, 5 of these different giveaways or job opportunities to promote. And then you want to copy your link. Just press on the copy link button and then go back to your Google Docs. You will then just need to paste at least 5 of those giveaways into your Google document and all of those different links. So, here I have these 5 different giveaways, like the iPhone 15 giveaway, which I found in the TapMob app, the Rolex giveaway, the MacBook Pro giveaway. All of these different giveaways are chances for someone to win something for free if they enter their email address. And each time they do that, I make $5. So, from these 5 different offers, I can make $25 per person without actually even selling anything. Now, we will be leveraging Google Search, and we will be using traffic coming from Google Search. But you don't actually need to have your own website in order to leverage Google's traffic and in order to actually get sales and actually get referrals from Google itself. Because if you think about it, when you want to learn something, or when you want to buy something, or you're looking for a review of a restaurant or a hotel, whatever, you just go to Google and you search for it. For example, if I search for how to strengthen the back muscles, we can see that the article from Medium is showing at the top of the Google search results. So, they're getting most of the traffic even though it was published just 7 months ago. So, for the next step, what you want to do is you just want to find some very popular creator, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, it doesn't matter. You just want to find a very, very popular creator that is getting a lot of views and that is a very well-known face. Like, for example, Mr. Beast, he has like 200 million subscribers. I'm just going to use him as an example. And then what you want to do is you just want to copy one of his latest videos or the URL for one of their latest videos. Whatever creator you choose, again, it doesn't necessarily have to be Mr. Beast. Now you can just use this free formula that I made for you. So, you can just copy these prompts into ChatGPT. I'm going to leave this for free in the description box of this video. No strings attached. I'm not going to collect your email or whatever. It's literally just free. You can copy and paste it. Step number 1, you just copy this, you put it into ChatGPT. You then copy this, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then at the end of it, you will have a full blog post or article written for you. Next up, what we want to do is we also want to actually download the YouTube thumbnail of that video. For this, I'm just using the YouTube thumbnailgrabber.com. You can just search for download YouTube thumbnails for free, and it's going to show you some of these tools where you can download these thumbnails for completely free with one press of a button. Now, next up, you just want to go over to this tool called medium.com, and again, this is the tool that this guy is using to rank #1 on Google. This is the exact same tool that I've been using to get free traffic to a lot of different offers that I've been promoting. And when you post something on medium.com, it can actually rank pretty high on Google. So, that's why it's a lot better to do it this way than to actually build your own website from scratch, because your website is not going to rank high on Google. Just go to medium.com, sign up for an account, then click on right over here. And then just paste the title from ChatGPT. So, I'm going to copy the title over here, then I'm going to paste the title here. Then we can also add the thumbnail from the actual video. And then below that, I'm just going to copy and paste the entire blog post that ChatGPT wrote for me. Now, you will have to customize it a little bit, so I will have to bold this and make some changes to make it look a little bit more appealing. But then between all of these different lines, I can just add all of these different giveaways. So, I can add the iPhone 15 giveaway, and I can either find a unique way to integrate this naturally into the blog post or article itself, or I can be very lazy and just add a call to action, which is click here for a chance to win iPhone 15 for free, and then I'm just going to add my affiliate link to this so that people can click this while reading the article. Now, it's not going to be as effective as if I actually found a way to integrate this naturally while someone is reading this article so they can click on it and sign up. But either way, you get the point. You can just add your affiliate links to these articles that you're creating, and you can share this for completely free just by pressing the publish button. You can also add the topics. In this case, I'm just going to type in Mr. Beast for example. So, I'm essentially piggybacking on someone who already has a massive audience, people already recognize them, and it just added this as a news article, a brand new unique news article.